Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite mic not working problem. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up Fortnite and you just need to press in keyboard escape key and select the setting gear icon. In here you just need to select the audio tab. Under volume, change this main to 100%. After changing it, voice chat, change this to 50 or 100% you want. You just need to scroll down. Audio output device, you just need to select the correct audio output device guys. In my case, a headset, earphone, HyperX virtual surrounded sound. You just need to select the correct headphone over here in this list. After that, you just need to scroll down and under the voice chat input device and voice chat output device, you need to select your headphone over here just like this. After selecting it, select apply to save changes. Second step, you just need to close it up here. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select the sound. In this list, you need to select your headphone and select set default option. After that, double click on it. Go to advanced tab. Click on the drop down in here and set highest value. And you just need to check mark these both options and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, go to recording tab. In here, you need to select your microphone or a headset and select set default option. After that, you will be get this tick mark guys and select apply and OK for save changes. The third step, you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the audio input and outputs. In here, you just need to right click on your headphone and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to open up Epic Games. You just need to go to library. Click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage. Select a verify option and verify the files guys. After doing these four steps, you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.